Hello everyone, welcome to PTE Reading Filling the Blanks Real Exam Question Series. This is 59th video in this series. It means that we have already covered 58 real exam questions जो students को exam में आए हैं. We have discussed the hacks and the strategies how to solve them. So let's get started. Before getting started, you know first things first that now in the UK, PTE is valid. So if you want to study, work or settle, you can do it, and 90% of universities in Canada now accept PTE academic. And my name is Bhrat Brij. I have scored a perfect 90 in all the 10 skills of PTE. Now question students ask, so can we also do that? The answer is big yes. If you follow the same strategies, the same techniques, you can also score. So that's why do not forget to subscribe to our channel because we post such informative videos on a regular basis. Now PT reading is of 32 to 41 minutes. It is not scored out of 90, it is scored out of 47 marks and it has 5 question types. And the second last question type जो इस वीडियो का भी टॉपिक है is reading filling the blanks. काफी important topic रहता है because this is the real PT reading scoring and you can see RFIBs contributes 15 marks. So if you are getting 5 RFIBs, it will be 3 marks each. So that's why these are very important if you are looking to score 65 or 79 marks. Now in the 2.5 minutes you have to solve your reading filling the blank. अब क्या उसमें आप सारे words का meaning समझ पाते हो, पढ़ सकते हो, समझ सकते हो? The answer is big no. What you need to do is you need to develop the art of skimming. We teach this to our students both online as well as offline. And this is today's topic. As usual, I'm going to give you 30 seconds and after that we are going to discuss it. Okay, so you know that the first thing we do is we skim it to understand its gist, overall idea, tone and tense, right? Tone में positive tone है, negative है, neutral है, tense में past tense है, present है और future tense है. So let's get started with skimming. Because of the instructional methods, expected class participation and the nature of the courses vary, no fixed number of absences is applicable to all. Each dash is responsible for making clear to the class at the beginning of the dash his or her policies and procedures in regard to dash, class dash and the reasons for them. Okay, so class के बारे में बात हो रही है, attendance के बारे में, उनकी policies के बारे में बात हो रही है. Okay. Now after skimming, you know that we do parts of speech classification, very important because we solve our blanks on these bases. So अब steps क्या हैं? Steps is your plural noun. Noun है और plural है. Situation. Another reading hack. What is that hack? जितने भी meant होते हैं, shuns होते हैं, they are always nouns and this is plural noun. Install, किसी चीज को install करना. This is verb. Instructor, noun, right? Semester, noun. Attendance, noun. Targeted, it is your verb. So once we have done parts of speech classification, now we are going to use process of elimination. I call this as best friend forever. You are going to see it, what we are going to do now. Now we have to fill the blank. अब all लिखा हुआ है. All क्या है? हमारा एक determiner है और उसकी connotation क्या है? Plural. जैसे हम जनरली सिंगुलर भी है पर हम जनरली कैसे करते हैं? All people, all problems, right? So अब यहाँ पे हमें क्या eliminate करने हैं? Singular nouns, verbs, सिर्फ हमें क्या रखने हैं? Plural nouns. So we are going to use process of elimination to eliminate everything else. Now we are just left with two blanks. Steps and situations. And कौन सा आंसर यहाँ पे better fit होगा? The answer is situations contextually. Absences is applicable to all situations. I know this is contextual based, but it's easy to choose between two, जो आपकी probability है right answer choose करने की increase हो जाती है as compared to when you have to choose from so many options. Okay, now let's see the next one. each भी क्या है आपका एक डिटर्मिनर है, राइट? और डिटर्मिनर के साथ साथ इसकी कॉनोटेशन क्या है? सिंगुलर, जैसे ईच पर्सन, ईच प्रॉब्लम, ईच ट्रॉफी, समथिंग लाइक दैट. ओके, तो अब यहाँ पे क्या यूज होगा आपका? सिंगुलर नाउन. सो व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू? वी आर गोइंग टू डू अगेन प्रोसेस ऑफ एलिमिनेशन. We are going to eliminate everything else. So now we have these three options with us. Now you have to see अब यहाँ पे क्या आंसर होगा. Each instructor is responsible, semester is responsible या attendance is responsible. Contextually क्या आंसर फिट होगा? Instructor. Okay, each instructor is responsible. Okay, moving on to the next blank. Another grammar hack. जब भी आप the something of something लिख रहे हो, right? Always remember यहाँ पे आपका noun use होगा और यहाँ पे noun use होगा. अब इस केस में देखिए बिगनिंग है. अब स्टूडेंट्स को बिगनिंग क्या लगती है? वर्ब लगती है क्योंकि ing लगा हुआ है. बट verbs can be used as nouns. Those are known as gerunds. What are gerunds? Verb plus ing's when used as nouns. So यहाँ पे noun use हो रहा है और द लगा हुआ है दोनों जगह, राइट? सो जनरली द किसके साथ लगता है? हम सिंगुलर्स के साथ द लगाते हैं. So you have to fill over here singular noun. So again using our process of elimination, we are going to eliminate everything else except singular nouns. So you have three options left now. Beginning of the. अब एक सिंपल सी बात है, beginning of क्या होगा? Install भी नहीं हो सकते. It's a verb, semester और attendance. Beginning of the semester, right? हर इंस्ट्रक्टर को अपनी पॉलिसीज क्लियर करनी होंगी at the beginning of the semester. Okay, right? Now let's move on to the next one. In regard to class something and the reasons for them. अब एक सिंपल सी बात है, क्लास से एसोसिएटेड वर्ड कौन सा है यहाँ पे जो बहुत इजीली यूज हो सकता है? एब्सेंस, प्रेजेंस कौन सी होगी? क्लास की अटेंडेंस से रिलेटेड होगा. ओके, so you are going to say class attendance. I hope this is clear, right? So why we have selected attendance over here. And all the answers are correct as you can see over here. So I hope you have gotten broad idea. If you know the right strategies, you can easily solve them. And what are our strategies? Our strategies are based on context, lexical resource, and grammar. In context, we do skimming, forward reading, backward reading, and tone analysis. For lexical resource, we have collocations, phrasal verbs and vocabulary. And grammar, we have a complete grammar course. This grammar course is very important for your reading, but reading ke saath saath it's going to help you in your listening as well as writing. So what is in our grammar course? First of all, we teach parts of speech. You have seen its importance today. Then subject verb agreement, each, all, we could solve them on the basis of subject verb agreement. Prepositions, modals, articles, determiners. अब जैसे आपका आर्टिकल में द है, द के साथ हम जनरली सिंगुलर यूज करते हैं. डिटर्मिनर्स हमारा each, all determiners थे. Signposting words, tenses, irregular verbs or plurals, and British English rules and sentence formations. So we teach all this as a part of our grammar course to our students. But remember, you have 2 to 2.5 minutes only to solve your reading blanks. In first 30 to 60 seconds, you are going to skim the content, do parts of speech classification. In next 90 to 120 seconds, you have to do the process of elimination like we have done, and then apply the strategies which we have taught you so that you can solve them in your time frame. And all the strategies which we teach are validated and proven strategies. The proof is in the ticker below. You can see so many students of ours have achieved their target score. And these are some of our success stories where students have scored 90, 87, 86, 82, and 81 marks. And this is our WhatsApp number 8699121121. If you have any question or doubt, you can simply contact us, or if you want to take online or offline coaching. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel because we post such informative videos on a regular basis. We give wings to your dreams.